Hello and welcome back to the Residual Royalty Academy. I hope that you're doing well during these crazy lockdown times. I know for sure that I'm getting pretty bored now. Even though I've got a lot of work to do, I'm getting pretty bored and pretty sick of it, but we've got to do what we've got to do for the greater good of the community and just stay inside, I guess. So in this video, I'm going to show you my royalties for the month of March. You can always check out my previous royalty reports, just find them on the channel. They're pretty easy to find, and you can see each month what I've got is all documented as your inspiration, okay? So in this video, I'm going to show you my March royalties. So let me just go on here first. On here, you can see this was the book that I released, the high content 30,000 word book. There's 2,000 orders on here. I did a promotion for this book. Obviously, they were free units, so I didn't actually get any royalties for these. There's 300 there, and there's 148 there. I only ran the promotion for 3 days, which means I've got 2 more days left as part of that KDP Select contract. You can see down here, I actually have some page reads. The book that I published was launched on the 21st around here, and it actually was read from the very next day, which is great. So this doesn't add up to much money at all. But yeah, it's always nice to have those extra couple of dollars from those page reads when you're enrolled in KDP Select for that 90-day period. So let's talk about low content books. So you can see this was my month, and the only ebooks that I've sold were the ones over here towards the end of the month after I launched that book. But you can see we started up here, $56. We were going pretty well, $50, $40, and then the middle of the month kind of slumped a bit when everyone was, in the depth of the panic of the old CV. And then this is obviously when my big book was launched, the first one. We got some ebook royalties, which is nice. We get, $5, $6 a day from that, which is pretty cool. And now we can go on to the next tab. You can see the total month was $1,020, which is pretty nice. And if you actually look at the differences in colors here, usually I have a lot more of my other notebooks selling, which means that the yellow bars, kind of the top over here, will be higher compared to the other ones. But you can see over here in the middle of the month, there was a lot of this red book. I can't highlight it because then it will show the title, but that was basically a St. Patrick's Day book. Now, I did recommend that you sell some St. Patrick's Day books. I did recommend that niche in the niche video where I gave you 5 of the best niches to do for, I think it was March and April. I will do one for April and May very soon, so watch out for that on the channel. And this one down here was one of my activity books that I've created using Puzzle Book Mastery. So if you don't have that software already, I would really recommend you going and getting that. There is also now Kids Puzzle Book Mastery, which I've just got the pro version of, so I really recommend getting that as well. You can get dot-to-dots, hangmans, Sudokus, other types of low content books you can make with that software. So I'll leave both of those links in the description. So yeah, you can see $1,020, which is pretty nice. We can go onto this tab here. You can see the full breakdown. So this is obviously March again. So ebooks was $23, paperback was $9.93, and this is page reads on KDP Select, so $3.49, giving a total of $1,020. Now, I've actually just started a competition with one of my friends, and it's actually a race to $3,000. So hopefully, with the introduction of my first few high content books, and when they go into ACX as well, and also when I get some more time to do low content, then hopefully I will get to $3,000 a month as soon as possible, and that should be on a pretty consistent basis. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you've got some insights. If you've managed to make it all the way to the end of the video, just put the little ghost emoji down in the description. Again, it's always great to speak to you. I really appreciate if you like the video and subscribe. Over 50% of the watchers on this channel are not subscribed, so please make sure you do that. We need to get to 3,000 subscribers as fast as possible. And just stay tuned for more videos next week. There's going to be a video on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I'm debating whether to do a Kids Puzzle Book Mastery tutorial showing you how to make 3 of the different kinds of books included within that software. If you do want that, just let me know in the comments. Or maybe I'll make videos about something else because I do have a few other ideas. But as I say, just subscribe and the new videos will be on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So I'll see you then.